In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and you need to tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, go ahead and tap the three lines up in the top right corner and it's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. We then need to scroll down on here until you see the who can see your content section. It's about up at the top of my screen right now, but it's about like in the middle between how others can interact with you and how you use Instagram. Essentially on here, what you're looking for is like a cross posting option. You'll see it kind of in the middle right below close friends, but go ahead and open this up and you're going to want to select your Facebook account on here. This is going to be the one that's connected to your Instagram. Select it and then it's going to redirect you and you're going to see a page that looks like this where you just got to go ahead and turn off like Instagram posts, Instagram story, Instagram reels. Simply take all of those options off if you don't want anything being shared. As soon as you take it off, it's no longer going to automatically be shared to Facebook. Just hit done when you're done, and that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.